Alright, so we got the Active Directory screens open down here. Group policy and Active Directory users and computers. We're going to start out in Active Directory users and computers and go ahead and create a new user and a new group and assign that user to that group. For testing, we're just going to call everything test user, test group, test OU, etc. Alright, so we got a test user there. So we're going to right click again, go to new, and create a new group to actually assign that user to. This isn't required, but you would most likely create a group for the user anyway. So there we've assigned the user. Done there, we're going to go to GPO. Create a new OU and just call it test OU. This is where our users and our GPOs will be placed. Right now it's empty. Now we're going to create a new group policy object and just call it test GPO. Now under the settings tab, if you let it generate a report and actually go into the settings, you can assign settings to that GPO. So in here you got your computer configuration, user configuration options. So if we go down into these options, there's different things we can go to. So for instance, in the administrative templates here, and we went to all, this is all the little tiny options we can change. We're not going to worry about changing anything right now, but assuming we did actually do something, we need to right click our OU and assign that test GPO now for it to take effect. Alright, back in Active Directory, if we refresh our domain controller, you'll notice our OU pops up. We'll go back to users. We're going to move, right click and move our user and our group to that test OU. And once we're done there, we're pretty much done. Now if that user and that computer that the user logs in under is connected to the domain, they would pull down all the GPOs.